good, y'all? It's your boy SEVNSIX and we're back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how Phora made his hit track Faithful. So first off, this tutorial is going to be super long because there isn't a whole lot that went into the actual beat. So I'm just going to jump right into it. So first off, the song was composed of a sample, and that is Tia London's Thinking About It. So right now I'm going to play you guys the original sample so you can get kind of the idea of where Phora grabbed his song from. So yeah, let me just play it for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. That's like the main melody of the entire song. So right now I'm just gonna kind of format the entire song and show you how I made it. So first off, the whole BPM of the song is 118. So I'm gonna bring this down. I've already chopped the sample into what he used for his actual song. So the tempo of the song is 118, and then I'm gonna time stretch the actual sample so it fits exactly 8 bars. And then I'm gonna raise the pitch up because the pitch on the actual sample is raised up, or on the song. So I'm gonna go about right there, and then it's gonna sound exactly how I made it on his original song, Faithful. So that's pretty much the whole main, melody of the song. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stretch it all the way out to about the full length of the actual song, and then we'll just get right into it from there. So it's about to the length of right there. So the intro of the song actually starts off with a low pass filter over it. So I'm going to go ahead and add a low pass filter to just the beginning. So let's go ahead and do that. So I added the low pass filter for a good like 16 bars, and then at the very end of the 16th bar, the low pass fades out into just a full regular filter, no filter at all actually. And then this is Phora's main or first verse of his song. So now I'm going to pretty much just go into what kind of additional production they added into the song. So there's a complementary kick over the original kicks of the song, so I'm going to go ahead and add kicks. So let's go ahead and pull something up. And this is how the kicks were layered out in the song. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch this out. So I'm going to match it up with this real quick. Shoot. So we'll add that in there. Crap. So first off, I'm going to raise the volume of the kick up so you can actually hear it. And also on the sample, there's a little bit of a decay on it, so I'm going to pull up the sample, load it into the mixer really quick, and there's a slight decay on the actual sample that gives it kind of a bouncy feel. I'm just going to go ahead and put the 3 echoes on, and then I'm going to bring the intensity or the mix level all the way kind of down to about right there. Should be very subtle. So that's what it's going to sound like. So now I'm going to continue with the drums. So I'm going to finish those kicks, add the kicks in there. Okay. So the kicks are actual full 16. So I'm going to go ahead and finish adding the kicks in there. Like I said, they just kind of line up with the actual kick pattern just to give it more of a harder kind of punch. And also in the original song, there's a little like ticking noise in there, like a hat. I'm just gonna use a perk because I mean that's what it sounds like to me. But I know it's like a hat, but I'm gonna get the perk closest sounding to the actual hat. So I'm gonna use a stick perk. Take the loop points off, and then I'm gonna pull in the original song just to match it up. With the tutorial version. So go ahead and line them up. So you can kind of see on how Phora layered it out. So it looks like there's 2 16s right here, and then just the original sample plays here, and then 2 more 16s, and then the original sample just rides out the whole way, and then the mix level comes here, So it goes back to a low pass filter towards the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that down here, the automation, and then raise it back up to write out the song. And yeah, that's pretty much how the whole song was put together, start to finish. Very, very simple song. Not a whole lot really went into it. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, share. We're gonna be dropping more tutorials on this channel, vlogs. A lot of the other 7/6 collective members are gonna be dropping some stuff too. We all got a lot of knowledge to give out. So yeah, I'm 7/6. I'll catch you later.